Hello everyone, I hope you are having a great day and making it an awesome one. In this video, I am going to share with you a gadget which will help you to stream any of your content on any TV, or you can mirror wirelessly your screen without any latency or lag. If you are playing any game with smartphone, laptop, Nintendo Switch, Xbox, PS5, or do audio to video synchronization, you can stream any without latency. Presenting eFoo H2, Zero Compression mmWave HDMI streaming device. This is a Kickstarter project, but I guess this device going up very soon. So I will drop a link in description if you wanna check current status. I was testing this gadget more than a week now. I just can say this is so amazing to play games, watching web series on TV from my laptop without any lag. eFoo is definitely an innovative product because eFoo H2 works on a high millimeter waves, poses a high advantage than general Wi-Fi connection. The same technology was used on a 5G network. Let you experience the absolute synchronization of audio to video transmission. Without further ado, let's have a look on the box itself. We do receive this cool welcome letter mentioning the sample product with the key features. Now the box comes in a white and green combination with the golden logo over it, while on the rear some specs like a 2K resolution, 5W 1A adapter, 60Hz frequency, 60Hz refresh rate, and the transmitter range is 20 feet from receiver. As we open it up, we get very detailed instruction manual, which makes easier to understand the product on the go. Here is a US adapter with a 5W 1A. As such, we don't need because it is to power the receiver, so you can use any standard adapter. Next, it comes with USB-C extender, which work as the transmitter as well. It has the HDMI and USB-C port. You can use it directly like this, or it has a flexible Type-C port, so that you can just keep it over your device like this. On the side it has a Type-C port. This target button will reset the device, and here black edge has a LED indicator for connecting, pairing, and disconnected. It has a nice black and blue color combination with logo on the top, gives a premium feel. Now we have a receiver which is again comes with the best in class build quality. On the back it has a DC 5W Type-C and one HDMI port. On the top we get again green target button to reset. On the back we have same key specs we saw on the box, while on the front it has a LED indicator border over eFoo logo. Looks so classy while using. Moving ahead, here we have a bunch of wires. So opening the box, here is a sticky strips and this rubber. Next is a 6.5 feet long USB-C charging cable, and then 4 feet HDMI to HDMI cable. Another is a 1.65 feet USB charging cable, which is used to connect the transmitter. Finally, here on this box we have a mini tripod because the receiver require a clear distance as millimeter can't penetrate much objects in the between. So you can place it over the table in proper height in order to receive a good signal. So this is all about the box content we have, but how it works and how to connect it. Though I have connected and it is so simple. Firstly, you need to connect to the transmitter to the device you want to use. As I will connect to my laptop HDMI port, but if you wish to use smartphone, it has a different scenario because most of the smartphones do not support this technology. Here is a list of smartphones they do support. Unfortunately, we don't own any smartphone which supports HDMI output, so I am going to test it with my laptop. The USB to power it up and the HDMI to the laptop, so it will use the laptop power and you don't need to give power externally to the device. Here it's time to connect the receiver. Plug in the HDMI to receiver and to the TV. Also plug in the USB-C to receiver and USB to adapter. If you have USB port on the TV, you can use that. As soon as you place them properly, you do not need any driver or software. It will automatically on red lights, which means ready to pair. And then blue light means pairing mode, and after 5 to 10 seconds green light, which means both devices connected and the signals are receiving. So now you need to change your TV to HDMI, or it might be already on HDMI. Then you can see your screen is mirroring. I have also tested over 2 meter distance, and even there is no latency or lag. It works like I was mirroring through cable. It worked as a real-time screening. Not even that, I have played 4K videos from YouTube. Yes, it supports 2K video resolution, but it's on the device on playback. If you play online 4K videos, there is no issue with mirroring. It's just played perfectly without any loss of frame or any drops. Not just that only, the sounds are even better. I can say extremely real time. If you use the most advanced millimeter wave communication technology with an average transmission rate of 3.96 Gbps and zero compression of data, which is 5 times faster than normal Wi-Fi. If we will let you experience the absolute synchronization of audio to video transmission, sleek product outlook and simple operations designs ensure you can enjoy high quality wireless transmission anytime and anywhere. Moreover, I would tell you it's not just for screen mirroring, but it works as a HDMI device. That means the laptop acts as you have connected another monitor, which is your TV, which means you can extend your screen. Your TV works as a second screen if you place them side by side. Your TV becomes second monitor where you can easily drag and drop, play YouTube while working on the software on the laptop. The lossless 1080p 60Hz wireless signal offers the simultaneous transmission of sound and video. This enables wireless commercial display, game, live broadcast, conference and other application scenarios to realize the plug and play, and at the same time bring in the front of superior experience of high picture quality, zero delay and zero interference. While I have sometimes drops, but I think it's just some object, wall and human body can interfere with signal transmission. But this is still can stop users pursuing high speed wireless transmission. That's why we believe that mmWave applications in the home, entertainment and business sectors will be the mainstream of the future. If we talk about price, here on Kickstarter page you can check which started from $109. I will drop a link in description. Do check out, you might be needed. Hope you found this video useful. If you have any additional information related to this video, do share it with us in the comments below. Click on the red subscribe button for more videos and I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.